Extremely dangerous and life-threatening wind chills are expected in the region, with actual temperatures near 20 below and wind chills between 50 to 65 degrees below zero. Region 22 Emergency Management Director Tim Newman tells KNB News wind chills of this magnitude can cause frostbite in less than 5 minutes if precautions are not taken.
My suggestion is if you don't have to be outside, don't. And if you do have to be outside, you dress in layers. And make sure that all your skin is not exposed, and you minimize the amount of time that you have to be outside.
He says that vehicles may have a hard time starting, especially Thursday morning. Frozen pipes are a distinct possibility, and he says it's already too cold for your four-legged friends to be outside. The most dangerous wind chills are expected to occur Wednesday night and Thursday morning.